Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see about class 9 maths chapter 1 set language. The theory of sets was first developed by the German mathematician George Cantor. Firstly, let me give you few examples to illustrate what is a set. Bunch of banana, bunch of flowers, pack of cards. So in all these statements, it talks about the collection of some objects. First statement tells us the collection of bananas, then collection of flowers, and then collection of objects is a set. Objects can be books, fruits, coins, flowers, and so on. So we have two examples here. One is a collection of fruit and the other one is a collection of household items. Now let me tell you a formal definition for a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. What do you mean by a word well-defined? Well-defined represents some common characteristics. For example, suppose if I say set of good cricket player. So according to my perspective, I may say Sachin is a good cricket player. So according to one of you in the class, you can say that Dhoni is your favorite cricket player and he is the one who plays well. And according to some other person, he may say Virat Kohli is a good cricket player. So in this, each one has a different perspective, or there is no common characteristic in each of the answer. So it is not a well-defined collection. So well-defined collection of object means an objects with some common characteristic. Objects of a set are called its members or elements. For example, in the example what we saw earlier, we saw banana, grapes and apple. So all these three are called the elements or members of the set collection of fruits. Here are few examples. Collection of all books in a district central library, collection of prime numbers, etc. Now, here is an example. Usually set is represented by these circles. Here I have set A and set B. Let me name the set A as fruits and set B as colors. So above are the elements. Now we are going to categorize these elements according to the set A and B. So apple will come under the set A, pink will come under the set B, and so on. So if any element is repeated, for example, see apple is being repeated here, so you will not consider this. You will just omit this. Now next is blue, green. Here is the last element, orange. So where we will put this orange, in set A or set B, because there is a fruit called orange and you have color name is also orange. So orange is common to both A and B. So you will just intersect these two circles and orange will come under both set A and set B. So from this what we can learn, a set contains elements which occurs only once. Order of listing the elements of the set does not change the set. For example, you can write the set 1, 2, 3, etc. as same as 1, 3, 2, etc. Next is notations. So usually capital letters of English alphabet is used to represent a set, and set is represented using curly brackets. These are the types of sets. We will see these types one by one with an example. First one, singleton set. So here I am having a cup. Consider this as a set. Consider these pens are the elements. I am going to add one element to this set. So now this set contains only one element. So if a set contains only one element, then the set is called as a singleton set. Here are few more examples. Set of all even prime number. A set x such that x lies between 3 and 5, where x is a natural number. Next, empty set or null set. So initially I am having one pen in this set. I am just going to remove this element. Now this set contains no element. So a set which is empty is called as an empty set. It is also called as null set. It is denoted by the symbol empty set, or you can just denote the curly braces with no elements. Next is a finite set. So again, this is a set. I am just going to put all these elements in this set, and I am able to count how many elements are there in this set. A set contains a countable number of elements, then it is called as a finite set. Next is an infinite set. If you consider the set, I am having some sand in this set. So these are my elements, where I can't count these elements. So these type of uncountable elements is called as a infinite set, or a set which is not finite is called as a infinite set. Next we will see about equivalent set. For equivalent set, we have to take two sets. So I am considering this as one set and this is one set. Now let me fill this set with 4 pens, and I am going to fill this set with 4 sketch pens. Now count the number of elements in each set. So here the cardinality of this set is 4, or the elements of the set is 4, and here also the elements of the set is 4. So if it has same number of elements, then the set is called as a equivalent set. Two finite sets are said to be equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. Next, equal set. So for this set, I am going to consider, again it is a next is equal set. So again consider two set with finite number of elements. So in set A, I am having 3 pens, and in set B as well, I am having 3 pens. So here the elements are same and it has same type of members. So this is called as an equal set. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements, then they are called to be equal set. Otherwise they are called as an unequal set. Thank you.